What's going on, YouTube? We're at the public auction. It's auction for repossessed vehicles, creditors, I think a couple dealers, something like that. Anyways, there's a Challenger, Charger, a couple other vehicles we want to get in, check out, see if we can score a good buy on anything today. So let's get inside, check it out. Interior is pretty clean. Red Challenger, low 100,000 mile range. Paint's a little rough. 2012 Dodge Durango. This is pretty nice looking. I like the black with the red stripes. How's the interior? Interior is pretty nice. Is it 90 something thousand miles? Third row seat. I'm digging this. All-wheel drive, 20s. 5.7 liter Dodge Charger cop car, 2018. 186, somewhere around there, 1,000 miles. Passes the smell test. Center console, they put in the center console. That's pretty nice. Seats look clean. Yeah, I'm digging this. We've been actually looking around at these North Carolina. Yeah, these are all-wheel drive also. Yo, let's check out this camper. Wow, pretty nice interior. Clean. Flat panel TV. Yeah, I can live with this. Should buy this. Me and Chris will go down to Florida. What's this? Screen came down. Wasp nest up in there. I thought I saw some flying around. Couple Can-Ams. Oh man, this is low miles. Nice. These are pretty sweet. Any of you guys have these? Oh, these are clean. Not what we're looking for today, but I figured I would show you guys. Oh, this is sweet. I'd love to have one of these razors. Doesn't look too bad. Man, these things, these gotta be a lot of fun. These are really cool. Look at the suspension on this thing. 3.8 liter Olds Tornado. Bet you it has the red interior. Yeah, I had a Chrysler 5th Avenue. Same color. 65 Chevy pickup. I wonder how much this will go for today. Yeah, Crystal will probably give me a hard no, but these trucks are cool. Needs new seat. $2,000 Nissan V6, 2017 Nissan. Here's our camper. That guy's probably in there getting stung up by all the wasps. Here's that 65 Chevy.
All right, here we go. This one. 1965 C10 pickup. Guys, what do I have in common with this truck? Look at 47 grand, look at 5 grand, now look at 45. I got 47 amps straight to the back. 5,000. I have 47 amp K. Auctions today,
I think that dude gave me the stink eye.
51, got to put it on him, he says 5 grand, 5 grand, look at 51, down, look at 1, look at 7,500.
I like this body style, but I think this truck is ugly. I don't care what you guys say. That yellow, ugly.
Johnny, what put it on him? What do you want to do? Put it on him for 5,100. 785.
Another pass through with no cell, I guess. I guess nobody else wanted that yellow.
758. Here we go.
Hey guys, I'm back from the auction. Make sure you stick around, check for updates. We're going to be uploading some videos, different meal ideas, recipes, stuff like that Crystal has whipped together. So check out the end of this video and come back.